Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the ledger to over 20% and have your 24-word recovery phrase handy because you may need to verify seed order. Once done, install and open Ledger live on your computer or phone so the app can detect the device. Next, connect via USB-C cable or enable Bluetooth on the Nano X. Make sure Bluetooth is disabled on public networks for security. This immediate preparation avoids interruptions and speeds the initial handshake between device and you then proceed to device setup. Power on and select whether to set up as new or restore from an existing recovery phrase because that decision defines key safety steps. Create a 4-8-digit PIN on the Nano X to protect local access and write each word of the 24-word seed on paper. Verify words when prompted and never store them digitally. Once done, open Ledger Live to pair. Choose USB or Bluetooth and confirm the pairing codes shown on both the device and app to ensure no man in the middle. You complete the workflow by installing the specific coin apps inside Ledger Live and then adding accounts so balances sync. Always verify deposit addresses on the Nano X screen to confirm authenticity. Once synced, you can send and receive while the device signs transactions offline for safety. If something goes wrong, make sure firmware and Ledger Live are up to date. Reconnect via a different cable or port, and only then consider a device reset. If problems persist, contact official Ledger support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.